We'll guide you through how to use the green screen effect on TikTok. If you find this guide useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. This is super useful to go and do because you can then go and change the background. So to go and get started, come to the bottom of TikTok and click on the plus, which is the create button. Then what you want to do is you can go and select the length. I'll select 60 seconds. Go to the right of the recording button and select an effect there, it doesn't matter, and then click on all effects at the bottom. Go to the top left of this menu here where you see the magnification glass and click on it. This is the search. And you can go and type in green screen like so, or just green, it should go and pop up. And we can use this top one, it's the most popular one. Go and click on it. It'll flip to the front camera. If it doesn't, you can click on flip in the top right. And as you can see, the background's been removed. And then I can go and choose a photo from my gallery here. I'll go and use this one here, for example. I can click and hold the shutter or record button, and here we are, we're now recording, and it's removing the background. And that's it. I can stop recording, I can go and record more, go and edit it, and I can go and post it. It is that simple. If you found this guide useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video.